Have you ever wondered why some people swear by plunging into freezing cold water or ending their showers with an icy blast? Could something as simple as cold exposure actually boost your health, mood, and energy? What if I told you that science backs this up? Today, we're diving into how cold exposure can improve your health and how you can start with simple changes. Ready to feel more energized and resilient? Let's jump in. Cold exposure means deliberately exposing your body to cold temperatures through cold showers, ice baths, or even cold outdoor walks. But why would making yourself cold be good for you? What happens inside your body when you take the plunge? And how can this chilly shock help you feel better? Here's what research tells us about cold exposure. It boosts your immune system, helping you stay healthier and reducing sick days by nearly 30%. It improves your mood by increasing dopamine, the feel-good hormone, leaving you alert and energized. It reduces inflammation and muscle soreness, speeding up recovery after workouts. It stimulates your metabolism by activating brown fat, which burns calories to keep you warm. It lowers stress and improves sleep quality over time. Which of these benefits would you want most? Can you imagine waking up feeling more refreshed and less stressed every day? When cold hits your skin, your blood vessels tighten to protect your core, reducing inflammation. Your heart rate speeds up, pumping blood more efficiently. Plus, cold activates brown fat, a special fat that burns energy to generate heat, boosting your metabolism. Doesn't it sound amazing that your body can naturally burn more calories just by getting cold? Want to try cold exposure but not sure where to start? Here are some simple, beginner-friendly ways. End your shower with 15 to 30 seconds of cold water and gradually increase the time. Can you handle the chill? Try contrast showers. Switch between warm and cold water for 30 seconds each to build tolerance. Dip your hands or feet in a bowl of ice water for a minute or two. A gentle intro. Take a brisk walk outside in cool weather wearing shorts. A natural way to expose your body to cold. Which one sounds easiest for you to try this week? Cold therapy is powerful, but safety first. Don't stay in ice baths longer than 10 to 15 minutes. If you have heart or circulation problems, check with your doctor before starting. Always warm up gradually after cold exposure. Never try cold therapy alone if you're new to it. Do you have any health concerns? It's always smart to be cautious. So are you ready to embrace the chill and unlock these amazing health benefits? Cold exposure might be the simple change that transforms your energy, mood, and recovery. What cold challenge will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy biohacking tips. Stay cool and see you next time.